How's it, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another live scalping session. We have Tango with here. Boris will probably join shortly. But yeah, thanks so much for having. Welcome, Tango, to the chat, and hope you guys are all
Hey
doing well.
Dylan, hey everybody, how's it going? Good Monday to you all.
What are your thoughts on the current market?
Well, we've seen. I think the development over the weekend was Ethereum breaking 3,000 again and
Yeah,
trading
exactly.
above that level. So I think that's the most important thing that happened during the weekend. I think that we just have to wait now and see if it can stay above 3K. The longer it
Yeah,
stays above, the longer it can continue. We talk about that, and my targets for Ethereum on the short term, if it breaks 3K, are around 3,500 to 3,600. There's really not much resistance
yeah,
below that. So yeah, still looking good. I mean, in the breakout, it's a bit feeble. I mean, it doesn't have too much volume, so it's not just to be trusted so far.
mm,
But I think we will have more clues today when the U.S. market opens. Let's see what happens in the first half an hour or so. See if it has commitment and it gets bought, or otherwise we just retrace back to the range. But so far, I think it's something to pay attention. Ethereum and Bitcoin
I
still
agree.
trading sideways. So yeah, I mean, we had 3 days down on Bitcoin, so it was due for a bounce off the lows. I think it bounced around 51K or so. So it
Mm,
bounced a couple of days. We had a couple of green days during the weekend, and it's now retracing back with the Asian session open, retracing back to 50K area. So it looks a bit weaker than Ethereum. And if you check the Ethereum against BTC chart, let me share mine just for a second.
yeah, go for it.
I think I don't have the. Let me share my screen because I haven't done that before. I like this song. Ethereum. We were talking about Ethereum BTC. You see the screen now?
Yes, yes.
Cool. All right, so look at this. So we talked about this first reversal around here. It bounced off fiercely from heavy support, as you can see on the weekly. This was heavy support around 0.0446. That was back in
Mm,
January. And we tested the highs of this descending trend line that's been in place since September 2022. It couldn't hold, so it just broke down to the mid of the range, and then we got a second bounce and a second breakout of this trend line. It's the second time it's been above, and it's now still looking good. If you can see, it actually found a resistance around 0.058, which was a resistance before. So we shall see if this also stays above the trend line. The longer it stays above, the more clues we will have that will indicate that Ethereum is going to take charge probably and will dominate um, the narrative against Bitcoin. But for now, it's still being tested. To me, it's not quite confirmed. So, but it's definitely, I think, it's the most important thing to be looking at in the market right now. So I'm looking at this carefully, as well as some other altcoins that we'll go through that are still breaking out. There's some altcoins that are still giving us setups without caring much about what Bitcoin or Ethereum is doing. So that's nice to see. It's not
yeah.
that all the
It
market
was
is
quite
being dragged. Is Yeah,
Yeah, it was quite interesting because I took a long on CHZ today, and then I took a
yeah,
short on on SUI, and
correct.
it was literally like you can take trades both ways in this market. It's crazy.
Exactly. Yeah, that it's that kind of market, that kind of tape. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can be on both sides because there's some that are overextended, like Uniswap. We saw this crazy
Yeah, yeah,
volatility candle back on, what was that, a Friday, I think it was. Yeah.
Saturday.
So yeah, it was hard to short, but yeah, and also we got the AI coins that are retracing a little bit after this big move, so that could have been sold as well. And then you have some setups that are breaking out, like VT, also really nice. You see this upper pennant that it was doing, it's breaking out today really nicely.
Yeah.
CHZ as well, really nice breakout, continuation of this really nice break. Near is one, this setup I shared it on the Telegram group as well.
No, this is so clean.
um,
So
yeah, this
clean.
one looks good. This one looks good. It was either by the break or maybe wait for a pullback around 350, 351 area. Pepe also, well, this one was tricky because this one broke really nicely on the first day, but it got reversed back. So probably got a lot of people caught on the breakout there, and lots of stops, and then it just cleared the path, and then it's just breaking out 3 days straight.
Yeah.
Really nice 3 day move. Atom is one that I'm gonna share on the Telegram group today for it's more like a weekly play. I really like this
Mm.
one. It's also breaking this descending trend line that's been since 2022, and I think it has now that it's staying. This is what I mean with the Ethereum on the Ethereum BTC. Look, Ethereum BTC that we're talking about. It's been trading above the dominating trend line. You can see the same thing here on Atom, but Atom already completed lots of sessions above that. So that means that there's support right there, and then we might see higher prices. So that's what you like to see when a major trend line is broken, that it can actually break and hold above, and the longer it stays above, the higher the chances to continue higher. So I like this Atom for a swing trade up to the 1545 area. I'll share the
That looks.
setup later on, but I think we'll
Yeah.
need a little bit of volume on this breakout. So far, we are not getting it. So yeah, but yeah, again, there's lots of setups going on around
What's
the
your thoughts
altcoins.
on BNB?
BNB has been a monster.
Yeah.
BNB is it still green? Where is it? My original target was 350. I actually got out before that. I played
Yeah.
a long around I think it was here 306, and I added some more around three. It was on the break here 326, and
Okay.
then it broke and then went back below, and I raised my stop, so I got out. I stopped out. It was a
Okay.
nice gain, but then it just
Yeah.
continued to 350. I wasn't expecting it to break so fast, and
Mm.
it's just to continue higher. Look at this. It just made this rest here on a pennant, and then just continue higher. This one, I think it had a lot of. I was looking at it here on October, November, for a short, because this was major support, and the narrative was so negative on this. With ZZ being indicted, the company being investigated, and lots of negative news around. And it was above the, I mean, just trading right above this support area, so it could break. And if that happened, it would have been a disaster for Binance, but somehow they averted it. And that's what you see when there's a lot of negativity and that narrative doesn't play out. Usually the opposite happens. So I think a lot of shorts got out of the way here, and we're seeing a lot of short squeezing as well on BNB. Still has some room to go higher. We got this pivot around here that we can take as a reference, which is around, what is it, 398? Yeah, 398 400. Of course, it's gonna be probably resistance, since it's also a round number. But yeah, man, I think it's
Yeah.
every pullback on this one has been viable.
I actually took a long today. Actually. I think-
On the 4 hour, what was you looking at? Can you share
yeah.
your screen now? Wait, let me.
Yeah. I'll show you. Well, it's quite recent. I just wanted it broke above this level that I've got over here on the 1 hour. Um,
Yeah.
my, the thing is, my target's like a bit aggressive, but
What's that? What's that? Patient, discipline, fearless. I like that.
oh yeah, you can add your watermark. So it's called
I like that,
AG.
man.
Yeah, AGF.
It's
Yeah, it's
watermark.
like
Okay.
yeah, that's quite nice. But Yeah, so I actually took this because I saw Bitcoin still consolidating, and then obviously Ethereum looking really bullish. Um, CHZ, I'm still in this position. I want to see if we can maybe see something here. Let's see this here. There we go. Yeah, my target for CHZ is around about these levels here. 0.13864 and then 0.14. That's around about these levels. I did put my stop loss to break even for this one because, um, yeah, there's no point. I think it's going to carry on. It looks clean still.
Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
But Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin doing? Actually, yeah, I took a small trade today, a short, back down to the break of this trend line here. But to be honest, it's looking like it's holding still. I mean, it could carry on to the upside. So, yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. I wouldn't take it long here, but I just, yeah, it's
No,
fine with me.
I wouldn't take a long either there, man. It's probably it's better to wait until that trend line is tested because
Yeah,
it
exactly.
bounced down, and also we're literally like 20 minutes away from the U.S. market open, so it's
Yeah,
probably best to
exactly.
wait now.
I agree. It's just AVAX. I was looking last week, so I took a short on the break of this, but it looks like it's like within today. If it closes like back above 37, then this could be a nice setup. Because I was
Yeah,
initially quite,
AVAX and Solana, for me, they've been in no trade for at least 2 or 3 weeks because there's no clear direction, so it's
yeah,
hard, and I think there's a lot of people out there, wanting to position themselves on this too because they usually continue the rotation. After you see a move on Bitcoin and Ethereum, they usually money rotates usually to these two, but that hasn't been the case so far in the last 2 3 weeks. So it's been kind of hard to take a longer term position. So
yeah,
I just of course I analyze them and I look at them every day, but I haven't found any clear signals to get in. Either way, of course,
yeah.
we can find scalps for sure, but there's no clear direction still in the trend.
Yeah, look at Matic. Ooh,
Yeah, Matic looking strong, man.
Matic looking strong.
Yeah,
Let me
was that
check
the
that.
4 hour?
Yeah,
Yeah, Matic looking really good.
let's see what happens there. I mean, it's hard to like. I can't really take it long now. You'd have to wait for. I'd wait for
Yeah,
like a close. Yeah,
yeah. Maybe a pullback,
yeah.
maybe pull up to one area. It's be viable. It's a bit
I mean,
overextended on the longer, on the shorter time frames too.
yeah, sure. Like this level is really, really strong on the daily.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's really interesting. I don't know. I'll probably look for other
check
setups.
them.
Look at that.
Yeah, yeah. Matic looking really strong, man.
It's looking good.
It could find resistance though now here, but
Yeah, that's what I'm worried
this
about.
one has been trending. TRX also had some couple days of retracement, but it's been just holding above the 8 EMA and resuming its trend higher. This one has been a monster. So we had let me count it, but I think it was how many bars we had. So we got 25 bars, which only one, two, three, four, five, six have been red.
That's
So
crazy.
20 to 19, 20 bars, they've been green on the green, so they closed above the previous one, which is crazy. This breakout was slow but steady.
Yeah, that breakout's crazy.
It's really strong. Yeah,
Like, yeah,
yeah. It still wants to go higher, it looks like.
yeah, that's true.
It's tremendous. Yeah.
I didn't catch
This
any of
one I
that.
tried to play at ING, man, but ING has been frustrating. It doesn't
Still
want
is,
to just break, so Yeah, it still looks good up here, but yeah, it's been difficult. I have a position here on DYDX, but
Oh,
this one
damn.
was a break I took around here. I've been holding for a couple weeks already. We got this volatility, so I took some off on my first
Oh,
target.
nice.
I think it will consolidate here and probably we'll see another break on DYDX.
Yeah, it looks good.
But we shall see. I'm also long mask for
Um,
this range. This is a multi-month consolidation. It's been
perfect.
consolidating on this range since November. So we finally got our break. So this is my first
Yeah,
profit taking.
that looks. I didn't even check that setup. That looks so clean. Like that's literally
Yeah,
one of my. You literally just take the breakout. I mean, that's yeah,
yeah. This one was like Link. Also, we talked about this one. Also,
yeah,
multi-month consolidation. Got a really nice clean break. Uh, so this one looks like just like Link. This is the same like multi-month consolidation, and then I breakout. So the longer they consolidate, the stronger the breakout is.
exactly.
But we shall see if the overall market helps can continue higher for sure. Then there's some indications of fatigue or exhaustion on some of the biggest movers like Tia. Where's Tia? Tia. Where are you? Or whatever. Yeah. Put in. So yeah. You've seen Tia. I mean, the weekly is just parabolic, and we got this reversal candle, and then 3 days of retracement, which was much needed. So it looks a little bit weak now. Long term, still good. We can actually find support at 15, but it gives us this break of the of the triangle, symmetrical triangle, to the downside. So that was a nice short. Was actually waiting to see what happened on this one because he had obviously a token that has been moving so fast, and
Yeah,
but you got this, you got this narrow range consolidation here, and you got this three attempts to break that they all been sold off. See how these three candles closed on a spike. So that might have gave you some clues that this one could go lower. I actually missed this trade. I wanted to take a short here, but I missed it because I didn't place my order. I was doing something else. I was trading something else, but yeah, looks good. So some of
yeah,
these are, retracing back to some previous levels of that they broke, which is, I think, overall really, really, really healthy. As where's SUI as well. So SEI as well. Also, seeing this break, touched the one round area, got sold off, and it's now trying to consolidate around here, which is 0.77 ish. That could be support for a while, and then we can maybe resume higher. And SUI as well. Let me search for
yeah.
SUI. Where is SUI?
I honestly think that
Also,
PM will start coming in as well.
yeah, but this one's also they're tradable like intraday. They
Yeah,
also give nice moves, nice VT. I really like it. That burger's clean.
a big time.
Yeah, we'll see
Yeah,
if we
so
can find something to trade.
I'll show them. I'm in the setup here for DNB. Um, just turn it down a bit. Yeah, so I did take this. Um, 'Cause I'm expecting price to break out here. Because obviously the daily candle closed above this range here. That I've got over here. So basically, I'm expecting price to go back to the next range, but I will be looking to take some at like 409 because that's quite a strong level. But yeah, let's see if this can hold up. Out of this. But yeah, I'm trying to see. I'm still in the CHZ trade. I can't really see much at the moment. Bitcoin's starting to come back up here. Let's see how it retests this trend line here. And then we'll know if it's bullish or not. Because at the minute, price can still come up to here and retest and come back down. The market structure is quite bearish. But if it starts trading back above here, then we're going to see quite a big pump. But we might have to wait for that.
Yeah, the AIs are retracing a little bit. Maybe that those can give us a re-entry point at some point in the near future.
I took this sell on issue out today. But I ended up actually just taking profit around this area. But yeah, I don't know. I was expecting this dump to be quite a bit more significant, but it looks like it's been holding. Like even for Bitcoin, I thought it was going to dump quite hard today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting at the moment. I'm just gonna scan through all of my coins and see if there's any funny.
Oh boy. Ethereum is it's maybe setting up. It bounced off the 30-40 area. It's now trying to see if we can reclaim this support that was broken around 3088, 3090. But I would still wait. We'll still wait for this one. Yeah. Let's see. We shall see. This is 15 minutes. Let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. Still 36 minutes to go, and then 1 hour and 1 hour 36 in the 4-hour. Still looking like he wants to reclaim it, but yeah. Shall see if there's some resistance around here and if it can actually break. And then Bitcoin's still not looking great.
The thing is, as long as Bitcoin just goes sideways, like all these altcoins have the ability to just carry on going up.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. As long as the major trend in the benchmark, which is Bitcoin, is just trading range on the range. These altcoins are still giving setups, and they're just gonna do their own thing. So it's nice to see because it's not dragging the whole market down or whatever. It's, big altcoins. You've seen that they've been making these moves, and then they retrace while Bitcoin is just sideways, and then they resume their uptrends as we've seen with CHZ and BNB. There's some real buying on those. So yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Like BNB, I think this is going to play out. I do have nice breakout. I don't know. We'll see. As long as Bitcoin just stays above 51K.
Correct. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It's like you can just trade. Always knowing what the range is on Bitcoin and be prepared for if it breaks. Okay, you have to have a plan set in place. Like if you have multiple longs and you're aiming for Bitcoin to break higher, and if that doesn't happen, then it goes back below 50K. You have to have a plan in place, either to sell your positions or reduce your risk, or maybe put a hedge on just to hedge against your longs, or if that the other thing happens or the opposite happens, but always have a plan set in place, and just in case this breaks, because it will eventually either break to the upside and to the downside, and it will drag the market down. Hold on, I'll be right back. One sec.
No worries. Yeah, I agree. I agree. What did you say in the comments? Yeah, 400, 1 million worth to sell at 400. Oh, really? It's flip. It is BNB. At 400. It's for. Let's have a see. I want to see what level you're looking at. I'm just gonna go to the daily and have a look here. So 400. I guess also, 400, a 400 BNB is also like a psychological level, Yeah, 400 is clean. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. It's a good plan. I think, yeah, TP1 will probably be 400. It's a good idea. There might be a massive squeeze though, for TP2 to 409 and then come back down. So that's also possible. But I like that. I like the idea. It's clean. Yeah. Let's see. This is the only trade I'm in at the moment. Sorry, I'm also in the CHZ one, but this is the one I did take in the live this morning as well, CHZ.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just apparently there's 1 million worth to sell of BNB at 400. So I was just checking that level.
What's your entry price on BNB?
92,
92.
392. Yeah, I got in at 5 pretty much. Yeah, some coins are looking good. Interesting.
WOO also, I like it. It kind of caught a bit during the weekend. The weekly looks a bit overextended, but it's looking good. I just want to see if we can get a pullback to buy it for a swing position. But I'm also liking it on the lower time frames. It's just consolidated above this breakout line, about 0.50. So yeah, if we get another push up, we can break this level around 0.51, 0.52, up to this 0.54 area. It's still looking good.
Did you take this at all?
Look, you see that? It's a lot of going back and forth here. But on the weekly, it's just opening price. We've seen these this rounding pattern. It broke out of this, retrace back, and then bounce back above. So I think it wants to go higher. Probably retest highs 0.60, 0.6495, 0.65. For now, it looks a bit overextended, but it can go higher. It can definitely go higher.
How's it, Boris?
Hey guys.
What's happening?
What's up, Boris?
How you guys doing?
Good,
Yeah,
you?
Yeah, I'm good. A bit tired.
Long weekend.
I don't know, just been watching the market late at night, have been getting much sleep, which is not helping with the trading,
Yeah.
I'm trying to get sleep. But I'm in a seat. I heard you guys are in Chili's. I'm in that too.
Yeah. I got in my live this morning. But I mean, it looks really good.
Pepe's on a big rally right now as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that one's up like 8% on the day, almost.
Yeah,
I haven't been
looking
trading
good.
paper much. Yeah, this looks really, really strong. Back to this level here, the daily high. The potential to come back here. That's interesting. Like some coins, I was telling Tango earlier, like I took a long for CHZ there, and then I took a short for SUI, and
Mm-hmm.
you know it's that type of market again. You know, you can just start going in the opposite direction.
Yeah, it's like two-sided.
Exactly. Yeah. The Bitcoin's still holding. Now, also, I took a short for Bitcoin today, but I honestly thought it was going to come lower, but I guess it's not that time.
Yeah, it's still in that range, man. So can go either way,
Yeah.
to be honest. Just checking the ETFs. All right, they're gonna open up positive. Check.
Okay.
Yeah, they just opened 2 minutes ago, so it's 11:32. So see what
Okay.
what happens with the ETFs as well. Maybe we get some more inflows here. Look overextended though, but it's a brand new product, so
Yeah, Matic's looking like wants to break out. So
Yeah.
Matic looks strong. Yeah, Matic looks strong.
I don't know. The thing is, if it closes above this level on the 1 hour,
It is
it
going
could
up
it could
now.
actually be coming. Where's the next level for that?
It's Monday morning. The market wants to go higher. Let's see if that happens.
2%. I'm probably gonna take it. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. Bitcoin is starting to come back up there. Let's see if it breaks through this level.
Floki is looking kind of interesting on the 1 hour.
Thank you. See. Oh, what? Yeah. Out of nowhere. Yeah. Now, this coin's been really, really bullish on the daily as well.
Yeah, I
Floki.
posted that setup in Da Vinci's group.
And yeah, the 1 hour is looking good as well. Let's go down.
ET, we don't have it on the futures contract. It's
I
looking
feel
good
short
also.
of, I don't know, Solana. I took the short, but I'm still in it. I don't really. I mean, if Bitcoin starts to rally and Ethereum, then I'll probably take profit. But yeah,
Here also looks strong, man.
which one?
Here
Yeah,
might even hit here might even hit the target today. 430, around 430. Looks really strong.
that looks so too.
Yeah. This one also for a spot because we have it also on the futures. What about Ape? Ape is looking on looking at a nice consolidation after a break.
Mm.
I want to go higher here. It's actually breaking this pennant. I actually like it.
Yeah, this looks good actually.
Yeah. Get a pull back to the trend line to this area. Might get in long.
Yeah, that looks good.
Like around here.
I like that actually.
Stop has to be short for me in this kind of trade.
Yeah.
Nice, a good nice risk reward here. With the 4 hour we're doing here. Yeah, we can definitely go retest this 208.
This
Let's
looks
see.
clean. I like this.
I'm actually gonna add a an alert in this one too. What's Ethereum's going down? No, still there. Minus 1%, minus 0.5. What's Matic doing? Matic is a bit overextended. I mean, the breakout clearly was around here. Consolidation here. Might get a. I'll be looking to buy like around this area if I do. We need to get a pullback here first.
Yeah, you can't buy
Gotta
now.
be patient. Yeah. Uni has quieted down, right? After the news. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there any setups to be traded here? Not sure.
That looks like BNB wants to pump on.
BB. Yeah.
Yeah. Bitcoin still. Yeah, looks good. Bitcoin just needs to stay sideways. And then it's pump.
What's your target on BNB? It's below 400.
400.
What's it
Yeah,
about?
400. 400.
Yeah, I think 400 is going to be resistance for sure.
Yeah, I put it at 400 and then next is 4.5.
But so far, it looks good. You can
Yeah,
easily test it or break it, even break it, and then
just move
see what
stops.
happens.
Ethereum is. Yeah, what's happening with Ethereum? Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, AVAX looks pretty good on the 1 hour.
Yeah, I was actually looking at AVAX today as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is looking good. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how much of. Yeah, it looks like all the gaming tokens have started to pump again. Gala's up. Also, Luvium's also up. I used to actually play the game. DeFi Kingdoms is up. All these gaming projects are starting to increase. Gala's up 8% today. VeChain up 11%.
Pepe's breaking out nicely. The 1 hour, 30 minute, look good. Yep.
Pepe looks strong.
Look at Pepe.
Let's see how this will break out. Yeah, for 8, I like that setup for 8 Tango. Like if the price comes back down Probably look here long.
Yeah, yeah. I just placed an alarm.
Yeah.
Gets back down to 196.70 or something like that. I got the 8 EMA. I got it at 196.20 right now. So right around that area.
Yeah, peppers. Okay. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I think BNB is gonna rip yeah as well soon.
Bitcoin and Ethereum are not doing anything. It's a bit odd. There's not much volatility going on these two.
Yeah, I put like a 50x leverage on this one.
Finance looks good.
Massive. If massive breaks out here, I think it's just gonna absolutely pump. 'Cause it's only up 3%, so definitely. What's happening with OP? Nice.
Maybe.
Yeah, not much. I think Pippa is just gonna rip it. Loki's breaking out. Yeah, interesting. It looks like we might see a pump here. ABAX does look good. So,
$20.
let's see. Yeah, it looks like BNB starting to pump here. Let's see what this is. Bitcoin's starting to pump here. Yeah, this is the level that I'm looking at, so for Bitcoin. I want to see what happens at this level. Everything's kind of looking more on the bullish side there. We're waiting for this setup for Ape. This looks really clean. I think about 96. Good. Yeah, Pepe wants to carry on, Marlon. Sorry here. Let's see what happens. See what happens.
We need a little bit of a pullback on ape. Forget that. Might give us a nice entry.
Looks like Bitcoin's pumping already. Yeah, there it is, pumping.
Yeah, it's moving higher. ETFs are up 1.20% on average. Ethereum 3,100. Looking nice.
There's Ether at 3100. Yes, yeah, crazy.
Mm.
Yeah, it looks like the pumps. CSA must be pumping. Oh no.
Matic is also breaking out, man. Looks nice. That candle looks really good.
That's Bitcoin. Yeah, Matic is really cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like the apes are about to pump. I don't know if it's gonna come back down.
APT also is putting up a really nice candle on the 4-hour.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's good. It looks good. Look at that. 3 days up.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah. It's making out this level.
I think everyone's breaking up, so yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like apes are coming.
See if we can go red to green. It looks like it's gonna happen. We shall see.
Yeah.
Pepe still going up. Yeah, looks good. Ape. Good ape.
Yeah,
I'm
apes
sure we're gonna
coming.
get that pullback, man. Looks strong.
And I don't see.
Atom. Atom, I might need to pull the trigger if it breaks here on volume, but this is, as I said, a swing trade, so I don't care much about the intraday entry as long as it's above or around an area that I'm looking for. So
Yeah, ape is absolutely ripping.
yeah, Ape, Matic, Pepe,
Yeah.
those three are moving nice. APT as well.
Yeah, everything. Pretty much everything. Massive, looks like looking really. What's that coin? What is that?
Matic is confirming a break. Really nice. What about, yeah. ETFs are looking good too. I think if we can break these upward flags they're doing on the daily, Might be getting a nice break soon.
I'll get that same level.
Maybe retest of the highs. Potentially. Yeah. It do look like a bullish pennant if you analyze it. This is a yeah. This looks like a bullish pennant potentially.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah.
If that happens, I'm not sure what's going to happen first. If Bitcoin spot's going to break first or the ETFs, but definitely if the ETFs break, of course the inflows are going to translate right away to Bitcoin price. We can finally break the range and be pushed by the ETF demand. Of course, it's not the only thing that's happening in the market, but we've seen it's significant, the amount of inflows we're getting from the ETFs. So that's why I'm being persistent in analyzing them. Look at APE on the 1 hour, looks good. Bar looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. One sec.
Let's see if Matic can come back down here. I'm looking at the setup here for Matic. So we had a break on the lower time frames, but we need to see how this level holds. But if price comes back down here, I'll be looking to long back up to this level. Let's see. Still long on BNB. Bitcoin, as long as Bitcoin holds this level here, that would be good.
Yeah.
Let's see. What happened? But yeah, overall looking quite good.
I think the week is still early. We're still Monday. We're gonna get a lot of setups, but right now we need to wait until Bitcoin either breaks out that to the upside, and maybe we'll get some confirmations on what we were seeing, or if we get a pullback. I think it's gonna be better to buy on pullbacks than buying breakouts. For now, breakouts are more difficult to trade because it can fail anytime because we don't have a clear trend right now. So when we have this environment, I'd rather buy pullbacks or either buy pullbacks or miss the move entirely, rather than buy the breakouts or wait for the breakout and see if it's confirmed. Because in this kind of environment, they're more prone to breakouts are more prone to fail. So
exactly,
like the one we're seeing on Matic right now, here on the 4 hour, it's a bit overextended and it needs volume to break, and Bitcoin is not actually breaking out. So I wouldn't buy that, to be honest. I would just wait and see if we get a pullback buy instead of just being aggressive. I don't think you can be that aggressive with the benchmark, like trading sideways.
MKR is looking decent.
How come MKR is so expensive? It's like, how much is it?
2,080.
Do we get splits? Can we ask for a split on tokens, or that's not a thing yet?
No.
Token split. You have to talk to the team.
It's better than what is it, like Sats? That's like 0.00001.
Oh yeah, I hate that, man. Those are so
Oh,
annoying
yeah.
to trade.
That's like a reason like not to even trade them, because I'll look at that and I'm like, I don't even
Yeah.
know what number to put in for my orders.
Yeah, to be honest, I try to avoid it. I mean, if I see a setup that I really, really like, I might attempt to trade them, but otherwise, I'll just.
Yeah.
I look at the chart, analyze them, but
Yeah.
it's pretty annoying to trade
You
them.
got to be careful if you are like putting in orders for them. Like if you miss a decimal point, it's gonna really affect.
Correct.
So it's good that
Yeah.
on CoinDW they actually say, oh, if you're like stop price is a certain number, what your potential loss is. So like one time a lot of the time I like miss a decimal place and it says, oh, your loss is gonna be like negative 1,000%. So I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
I should put an extra zero there.
That's funny.
The daily is still, right now it's looking good. See if we can go red to green here on Bitcoin.
If this flips bullish today, then it's quite bullish.
Yeah. Ethereum too. Ethereum looks like a really nice bounce of the 3040, which was a previous resistance. Was an attempt here on this pivot. 3040 was a daily high actually here on the 22nd of February. So nice to see that support being held. Shall see if it can stay above. You can definitely trend higher and test this 3,500, 3,600. I'm actually gonna try to look for an entry for a swing trade.
Yeah.
Here looks clean too.
A lot of the altcoins are actually looking good.
Stream's gonna end, huh? 2 minutes.
Oh yeah. I didn't even see the
I
time.
guess Bitcoin's rallying at the 1 hour.
Yeah, look good.
Yeah. That's nice. You streaming today, Boris?
Yeah, what time?
No, I was actually long, but I got stopped out overnight. But looking back, like my stop placement was just at a stupid place. I should have put it a bit lower.
Where? On Bitcoin?
Yeah, and then I was in Pepe, but I exited just because I wanted to.
I took a long on the breakout of the flag the other day here. The one that was got reversed, but it happened what you just said. I missed the decimal, so I was risking way much than I wanted to. So
Right.
as soon as I realized it, I just got out of the way. I mean, didn't even reduce risk. It was like fuck it, I'll just exit altogether. I just don't want to deal with
That's
this
the best
now.
thing to do, even if it does go in your favor. It's like you don't want to risk it.
No, I hate when that happens, man. No, exactly, even if it goes in your favor. Well, if it goes in my favor, I'll take it anyway. I'll take the win, but you still made a mistake, so yeah.
But yeah, I think. What time you guys going live today?
I'm going in half an hour, actually, 10:30.
Yeah, you guys just
I'm streaming at 5 p.m. EST.
So guys, make sure you guys go watch Boris and Tango. I'm sure we'll speak about what we've been speaking about now and see if it's played out. Maybe the question said us watching him. But yeah, not much else. I think the ape trade, we are waiting for potential retest of On Tango's screen, you can see there we are looking for potential retest. But if Bitcoin just carries on pumping, then it doesn't look like we're going to get it. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, and make sure you watch Boris and Tango.
See you guys.
See you guys.
So